path of growth. Why? Because there has been a tremendous underinvestment in healthcare IT over the last years. That's a fact. You know, healthcare invests roughly 2% of their revenues in IT. And if you look into banking, banking invests roughly 10% of their revenues in IT. So that means there has been a strong underinvestment. But we see due to regulations, ARA, meaningful use, this thing is changing. When it comes to the applications, what are the applications that we see out there when it comes to mHealth? You see, one of the key ones is staying in shape, okay? Staying in shape, you see that on your smartphone. There are roughly 17,000 applications around mHealth out there across all platforms. So many of those applications are around fitness. But you see as well, you know, EHR is as well one of the key factors of growth. And if you see all these CAGRs between 2009 and 2014, there's definitely a momentum on applications. This is taking off, and it will continue to materialize because the thing is that the technology is there. You know, I see SAP, you know, I see Siemens, Deutsche Telekom, Boehringer. Everybody is pushing forward just to make sure that the solutions that we're offering are bringing basically patients closer to their patient records. Let me describe the market ecosystem when it comes to purely applications. You know, I'm not talking about now the hospitals and the insurance companies and so forth. What is going to make the applications fly? Okay, we talk about smartphones nowadays. You have 4 core platforms. You will have the devices, you know, the telematic devices. Then you will have the carriers or IT providers like T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, and definitely the application world. Just to give you a sense, we have today roughly 1 million applications for our smartphones out there in the market. You will see some statistics, how this thing is changing. It's growing dramatically. And we believe that push in the application world, bringing things closer to the consumer, will definitely drive penetration. For the people in the back, so just to keep it, you know, somehow simple, you know, there's, let's say, 3 worlds. One is a world of the telemedicine, more on the healthcare side. And then you have the other side, which is more on the IT or telco providing side. And then you have the different applications. Is it professional applications? Is it consumer applications? And what we see is that it's coming to a center in which basically professional applications are meeting consumer applications. You know, if you see the device that GE or Intel developed, okay, if you see the interface of these devices, they're coming much more closer to what we see here. Again, a little bit small, but if anybody wants to have the statistics, what this shows is application on the consumer side and application on the professional side. Surely, totally